with all the stuff that we've done so far, nag-start na mag-snow. Buti na lang tapos na kami. So we are here downtown Halifax, and maghahanap ulit kayo naman. Parang food vlog lahat itong ginawa natin, ha? Anyway, and just like what I said, dito kami sa downtown looking for dinner. This is Bert, kasama ko, and nag-i-snow na. Yan, dumidilim, walang ilaw yung mukha ko. Yan, nag-start mag-snow. As per the weather, expected naman ito, but buti na lang tapos na kami sa aming mga galaan. Halos we were able to achieve what we plan to achieve in terms of video content. Now this time sama namin kayo, kakain kami ng dinner. One of our main intention, apart from the lunch that we already had, we'll have a little bit more seafood in our dinner bago kami matapos dito sa here. Let's go down here. Yeah. Okay. Ayan. So all of downtown. Oops. Yes. So wala. There you go. Nag-wet na, nag-moist na yung hangin. Kaya tawag dito precipitation sa buong Canada. Ang ulan o yung ganitong mist is precipitation. So yeah, babalik kami sa Harbourfront for that cable warp. What warp? Cable Wharf. Doon namin nakita yung masarap na seafood, I think. Meron pang iba, pero yung nakita namin available during our stay here in Halifax. So we will grab the opportunity. Alright, so yeah, walking here in downtown. Very typical of a downtown, except that this one is medyo hilly. I don't know if the word is correct, pero maburol, mataas, and like what I said earlier, I can't imagine pag nag-snowstorm, napakadulas ng mga yan kasi steep makasada. And then all site offices are here. Site offices means offices of different companies, mostly are branch of the main ones na nasa Toronto. And then yep, typical downtown. Saturday night may mga laman ang mga bar. May mga laman ng mga bar, mga restaurant kasi Saturday night, TGIS. Okay, so puntahan natin yung Cable Wharf restaurant.
Cable Wharf, here we come.
Yeah. Yeah, like what I said, Cable Wharf is just right here at the Harbourfront, very close to downtown, which you can see from my back. Diyan lang ang downtown, and then this is the Cable Wharf, that one. So we'll see kung anong meron sila. Sana wag lumakas yung snow. Panira, di maganda ka-banding, sabi ng Miss Barurot. So yan, nag-i-snow na. Nabas ko. Hindi naman siguro snowstorm to, no? Hindi tayo makaka-uwi pag snowstorm. Ayan, Halifax Harbourfront. Tingnan natin pagpasok.
Yep, andito na kami sa Cable Wharf. Dumayo kami dito for oyster, fresh oyster. If you know what I'm talking about, right? So first, oysters, they're offering half a dozen oysters, which means 6 pieces. Ang problema, wala daw sila. Ito lang yung dagat eh. Yan sa tabi namin. Ito lang ang dagat. So, wala daw silang oyster. So, siyempre wala kaming choice. Alam namang mag-amok kami dito. Alam namang mang-hostage kami dito para lang bigyan kami ng oyster. Siyempre hindi naman ganun. So, in short, whatever is on the menu na seafood, yun ang babanatan namin tonight. And this is our sort of celebration na rin for the two of us. It's Valentine's. So, Spell Valentine's. So, yan. Enjoy lang kami ng dinner. Tama din kasi plan namin, snack lang. So, baka naman nagpapahiwating ang ating Panginoon na, uy, mga matatakaw kayo mga hindi pang snack ang oyster. So, that's okay. Kahit medyo it hurts. Medyo bitter. Pero, yan. We will enjoy our dinner. Alright, so, we'll show you what we have. By the way, hindi kami nagyayabang with all this. Again, ang gusto kong i-highlight is kung hindi nyo nalalaman, we've been here for many years. Ngayon lang kami nakalabas. Nakalabas ang Ontario. Or kung lumabas man kami, hindi naman ganito na it's all about us. So for the past years na we've been here, naging citizen, from PR naging citizen, ngayon lang kami nakalabas. So naka-save kami a bit just for this. And it's just a quick getaway for us. So hindi ito pagyayabang. It's a matter of showing you na kung desidido ka to really have a little bit of luxury like this, wait and save. Okay, wag mong alam niyo yan, diskarte namin is we don't hug a tree that is hindi magpang-abot yung dulo ng kamay namin. So that's how we roll, sabi nga nila. Alright, so yun naman ang bottom line on, and we're just sharing you, siguro in addition na rin sa possible na pwede nyo puntahan dito, especially sa Halifax, Nova Scotia, o kung taga Nova Scotia kayo, you're lucky kasi maganda yung province nyo, kahit maliit pero maganda yung province nyo. Kakaiba yung aura ng province nyo. So we were even thinking baka men tayo dito. Hindi. Sobra. So yun, sa mga taga Nova Scotia, yung mga kababayan natin Pinoy, yung mga nakapag-migrate na nanonood ng channel ko, kung nasa Nova Scotia kayo, congratulations, you had a very beautiful province. We saw a bit of it today. So any case, the usual, pag gutom ako, nahihirapan ako magpaliwanag. So pagkakain, we'll see. Alright, kwentuhan tayo ng konti pa. Naisip pa talaga yung oyster. Sayang. Hindi bali. Maghahagilap kami na hindi kami babalik ng Ontario, hindi kami nakakatikim na hindi nalalapatan ng oyster yung mga dila namin. Alright? So, we'll see you later pag nandyan na yung food. Alright. So,
Tingin na ako para hindi na ako.
this what we got. Yellowfin tuna. Fresh sushi pa lang approach nito. And then, this is because wala kaming oyster. And then, we had some salmon. Salmon Brussels sprouts. With ipinahid na kung ano man yan. Yan.
Pasensya na kayo, pantulingan talaga ako eh. Huh?
And then we have some tiger shrimp. And flamingos. So, sabi nga namin, it's just a snack. Wow, snack. Just a snack. So, tirahin na namin to. Kasi anyway, gabi na. So, we'll just finish this off and then lakad pa kami ng konti sa downtown. Alright? Kain na na.
Hello. Yeah, we had that. Actually, it's good, no? about the Cable Wharf.
Very good.
Very good. Ang bango naman. Amoy, ayun oh. Amoy inihaw. Amoy tinapa. Ba't may tinapa? So, Cable Wharf is good.
Very good.
Accidental namin siya nadaanan kasi yung fisherman's, there's also another one here, the Fisherman's Wharf ba? Tama ba? Fisherman's Wharf yung pangalan?
No.
Fisherman's Fish.
5 fishermen.
5 fisherman. Fisherman's Fish. An idiot, Fisherman's Fish. Anyway, so, 5 Fisherman's Wharf o 5 fisherman lang? Okay.
5 fishermen yung yata.
There are 2 restaurants na pinagpipilian namin. Right? So, it's 5 fishermen. And, actually, yun lang pala. Yun lang pala pinagpipilian namin. Tapos, napadaan kami dito, nakita namin yung Cable Wharf. So, from Cable Wharf, nakita namin to. Kaso, alangan naman yung dating namin kanina. Mga alas 2, 3:30 pa bukas. Wala, gutom na talaga. Kaya kami napapunta sa Blue Nose. Kakaiba. The food itself, yung eating namin is already an adventure. A different adventure na. So, kaya kami napapunta sa Blue Nose, which is also good, by the way. Sa Blue Nose, nag-enjoy kami kasi steak yun. Surf and turf ang binanata namin doon. So, ngayon, nagpabook ako ng dinner dito sa Cable Wharf. Kasi yung 5 fisherman, I thought it's a little bit more on the very high side. So sabi ko, sige, dito tayo sa Cable Wharf.
Walang available.
O yun, wala pang available na seat. Meron sila available, masyadong late for us. So, okay, sabi ko, sige, Cable Wharf tayo. So dito kami napunta sa Cable Wharf. Yan. Yun. Which is almost, actually mas maganda to kasi nasa dock, no? 5 fishermen and wala sa dock.
Maganda yung seating natin kanina.
Yeah, seating, magandang ambience. Yun. So, we think it's good. And chinek namin sa Google. Actually, first time namin ginawa yun na parang sila ng rating eh. So, not bad. Not bad. And then, magandang ambience nito. On the dock, right beside the water. So, I think it's good. And then, we had a very good server, Sophie. So, kudos to her. Natapunan pa ako ng by the way, ng drinks. My own fault. Mas talagang asikaso siya. So, that's good. And then, what else? Masarap. Yun lang talaga ang shortcoming nila is yung ipinunta namin doon na oyster, yun ang wala. Naubusan daw. Kala ko may tatalon sa tubig para kumuha ng oyster. Kasi pinag-usapan namin kanina. Alam naman, mag-amok nga ako or mang-hostage pa ako para bigyan ako ng oyster. Huwag naman, baka i-revoke ang aming citizenship. Pero apart from that, the rest are perfect. I mean, good enough for our dinner, seafood dinner. So, yan, meron kaming
Ako lang bibili. Anong gusto mo?
small lang. Yeah,
With
small.
sugar?
One sugar. Yeah, so yun. So apart from that, we had salmon, yellowfin tuna, and yun sa surf and turf. Meron kaming haddock na sliders. So yung maliliit na burger. So slider na beef, pulled pork yata, yun yata beef. Pero slider, maliit na burger, tsaka yung haddock. And then we had salmon with sauce and Brussels sprouts. And close. Ouch. Really? Yeah. Yeah, close already, no? Okay. Nagdadamo. Yung dumaan sa likod ko, nagdadamo. So, saan tayo dadaan? Gusto mong umikot parang isa dito? Let's go around. Ikot pa tayo ng konti. Pampababa. Pwede naman. O, para isang ikot na pa ganun.
Ayaw mo doon sa may hagdan?
Anong hagdan? Yun nga, doon nga.
Doon
Ayun,
yun? Okay.
So, yun, so far it's a good experience of the dinner. Pwedeng i-recommend. Okay, pwedeng i-recommend, pwedeng balikan. And hopefully next time may oyster na. So yeah, that's our dinner for tonight. And then we will go around for a bit para babayang. Actually, hindi ganun karami kinain namin, pero ako personally, ito, pwede tayo mag-ikot pa ng konti. Hindi naman mukhang delikado dito eh, sa Halifax. Kumpara sa by the way, Toronto, medyo, I don't know kung ano ginagawa ng government doon, pero this looks a lot better in terms of security and safety. Anyway, I digress. Wow, I digress. So, ikutan pa namin. Tingnan natin kung ano itsura sa gabi. Kasi this is gonna be our last night here in Halifax. So, bukas we will move out and then tingnan nyo kung saan kami pupunta sunod. Yun, ang liwanag ano. Nandito kami sa, actually ito yung building ng Maritime Museum. So, siyempre sarado na, gabi na. Galing kami sa dinner eh. Tapos galing din kami doon sa docks. Hindi ko na inilawan, malamang sa umaga na kasi madilim. May mga nakita ko doon mga information, it's so interesting. Kita ko sa inyo bukas. Sana magising kami ng maaga para mapuntahan namin to. Pipilitin namin para madaanan. Pero ito, dito yung Maritime Museum. All about, syempre, barko, sea travel, blah blah blah. So, now we're just walking and heading back to the hotel para maaga kami bukas. The rest are like, see, may mga Halifax Distilling, Wobbly Duck, mga inuman. Ang weird lang kasi dito ang mga party locations ang tatahimik. No, ang tatahimik. Andiyan yung immigration ano. Tapos yung hotel na yan sa likod, yun yung may Canadian Pacific na station.
Station? Hindi siya museum?
Hindi.
Oh?
Station, pero
Alam ko
dun...
para siyang museum.
No.
Museum kasi yung station din.
Hindi.
Last station ka mo.
Hindi, pero yun ang terminal, last station. I don't know, baka meron. Baka may mga picture sa loob. Ang galing oh, buwi oh. Pati LC oh.
Bigat niya, no?
Oo, pero lumulutang yan. Diba?
Like, you know what I mean?
So, yan ang Maritime Museum.
Kala ko tatlo pang pupuntahan natin dito. Parang tatlo yun eh.
Baka Port of Halifax.
Baka yun. Saan
Yan,
pala yun?
sa dulo din.
Dulo din, no?
Andun yung mga port eh. Same street. Same street, kaya medyo marami pa kami nakalista kasi dapat today yon eh, wala, naipit. Siyempre, unahin mo yung iyong tiyan. Okay, bago ang lahat. Kaya nagkalukulo kayo tinirari na. Pero ang maganda, how flexible we are, right? Kaming dalawa. We are flexible on our schedule. So, yun lang. Siyempre, pag may naiwan, gawin mo the next day kung kaya pa. Or else, well, lagi namin sinasabi, maybe it is meant na balikan. Pero ang layo. 24 hours sa drive or journey. Hindi lang drive. So, from here, sa Halifax, after na mag-dinner, so bukas na ulit pagkagising. And we are very positive na makakagising kami ng maaga para ma-explore pa namin yung natitira naming time dito sa Halifax bago kami tumalon sa kabilang province. Alright? So, see you tomorrow.